Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to stop ads on Oppo. First, navigate to your phone's settings menu, which is often represented by a gear icon. From there, scroll down and tap on Privacy to access various data control options. This initial step is crucial for managing how your device uses your information and delivers content. It's about taking the first step towards a cleaner, ad-free experience on your Oppo phone. Once inside the Privacy section, look for an option typically labeled Ads or Device Identifiers. Tapping this will reveal settings specifically designed to control your ad experience. Make sure to toggle off any option that says Personalized Ads or Ad Personalization. Additionally, consider resetting your advertising ID, which can be found in the same menu, to clear your previous ad profile and reduce targeted ads significantly. Next, let's tackle app-specific ad sources. Go back to your main settings and find App Management or Apps and Notifications. Here, you can review each application individually, particularly those known for pushing unwanted content. Tap on a suspicious app, then go into its Permissions or Notification settings. Disabling notification permissions for ad-heavy apps will prevent them from interrupting your day with unwelcome messages or pop-ups. Your web browser is another common source of advertisements, especially pop-ups. Open your preferred browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and navigate to its settings menu. Within these settings, look for Site Settings or Privacy and Security. Ensure that pop-up blocker is enabled, and activate Do Not Track requests for an improved browsing experience. For even more robust protection, consider installing a reputable ad blocking extension directly into your browser, which can block nearly 100% of common ads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.